For 4 days this week, hundreds of parents and guardians turned up to schools and other distribution centres in communities all across the country. What was unfolding was a massive distribution exercise to give each registered child in both public and private schools $30,000. Altogether, more than 200,000 children are expected to benefit. That would amount to more than $6 billion being distributed. The big figures aside, for the people most in need, the single parents, those with disabilities, and grandparents, this cash grant is a boon, a blessing, or a lifeline.
Well, I got on to pinch wherever I get, pinch, because she never knows. Most she want like is tea, milk, porridge stuff she need. And I try to fulfill it. When I can't get the nestum and the cornmeal and so, I normally give her flour porridge. Well, this grant will help to see how much uniform could get because she's small, and I have to get like vests, ribbon, pom-poms. I know those are things as they take off in school and but then don't it left in school throw away. She gotta get shoes, she gotta get socks, she gotta get tights, and so.
At my age, I just find it sometimes quiet and sometimes hard too, you know, because it's not easy because I'm not a healthy person too. But nevertheless, God is there for us. And how long God give me the health and strength, I will look at she. Yeah, whatever she need, I will look after it for her, whatever she need. And whatever left, well, I have some nieces as assist with she, so the rest will go. You understand how the money come, that we had to use it. That's what the government give the money for. Use it from the child.
I go to the nursery already and the same teacher them will teach me, teaching she. She says she doing good. All the teacher them at the nursery know me. Me and my wife separate. And I as a disabled man, I don't get every work and I'm glad for the money for help buy school thing for she.
Sure, the return of the Because We Care cash grant from the Ministry of Education was a manifesto promise of the People's Progressive Party Civic. But what the party didn't bank on was a pandemic and a war with global implications leading to an increase in the cost of living, a fact that Education Minister Priya Manikchan says the government isn't running from. So now, this cash grant is not just a promise fulfilled, but it is a provision that is all the more important for families in need.
Because we are very aware that the cost of living has gone up. We are not dodging from that. We're not dodging from that fact. We can't. So the teachers could best tell you, ask Ms. Blackman, how much this will help parents. They know. They know. And if you want to know why we're doing it in 4 days, and I hope you understand the effort that is taking, because this is the kind of activity that needs a month. Because I don't want a single mother wondering at the end of August where she's going to get money to buy uniform cloth and pay the seamstress and buy book bag and buy socks and shoes. I don't want that.
It joins other cash relief measures provided by the Irfan administration. Farnaz Hanif, a mother of one, received the $600,000 assistance for people in need of dialysis treatment. And she went to the Monrepole Primary School on the east coast of Demerara to collect her son's education cash grant on Thursday.
Usually I have to go dialysis 3 times a week, so I don't get a chance to be with him. Mostly the father spend times with him, and doing dialysis is like doing it today, tomorrow you have to rest, the next day you have to go back. So it's 3 times a week. It's Monday, Wednesday and Friday I go 3 times a week, and it's really hard to be parents to take care of a child. So this grant would help him to support him to purchase his school things, come back to school in September. He will be going to grade 2.
Of course, teachers, educational officers, and audit office workers are an instrumental part of this process. Before the crack of dawn each day, they were all out of their homes preparing to distribute the envelopes of cash to parents and guardians. Throughout the day, too, they helped to ensure that the process was run smoothly and not fraught with challenges. Altogether, many hands helped people get the much needed cash. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghavir.